Alright, we're out here at the Monaco of Southern California, also known as San Pedro. So berth 46, we are surrounded on three sides by water. But the best part of today is this. So did a little trade with George Reese from Reese Racing. He's got Sabotage, I've got his Pride and Joy Bumble Z. We're gonna put a little practice laps on this thing. I'm not sure what to even expect other than this car is violent. I've put in 2 laps on it before at lot 6, which is a handful lap. I'm curious to see what this thing's gonna do here with corner exit. This thing's a wild car. Brakes, steering, power, everything about it is violent. So my timing's gonna be a little bit off, I think, on these first few laps. So I'm gonna try not to kill very many cones, but that's going to happen. Pedro, corner exit, lap number 1 for practice. Got Jeff going for a ride. Between the two of us, we're going to try to figure out where to go. Sliding, slipping, and everything, man. Wow. Oh. All right, Sal getting ready to do his practice laps right now. How long's it been since you've been behind the wheel?
Last NMCA, which was last year in November, October.
All right, so yeah, 8 or 9 months it's been. So it looks like you're on a fairly worn set of yokes.
2021.
All right, 2-year-old yokes. But looking around, it actually is perfect weather for yokes. We are literally surrounded by water here in Long Beach Harbor. But I'm gonna put the old test mule to work today.
Yeah, well, you know, it needs a workout. It hasn't been driven this far since Vegas about 15 years ago.
Well, there's no excuse for that, man. This thing needs to be date night car.
Yeah.
All right, good luck. Have fun. All right, well, no pressure, but you're the last remaining TCI car. Let's go. First competition lap for Sal. There have been a lot of DNFs today solely because of getting lost. As you can see, there is white paint all over this parking lot, and it is very distracting when you're out there on course. So I had a fuel pump issue with Bumble Z. Sal is now holding it down for Team TCI. Hasn't been behind the wheel of a car in like 8 months. Just needs some good clean laps right now. No DNFs. Yeah, 50.065. Good first lap. Second competition lap here for Sal.
Number 918, 1 cone.
Don't believe that was Sal getting a cone. Looks clean so far. So we need a 4 something. Stay competitive here. This should be it. Yeah, 48.9. Full second pickup. Lap 3 here for Sal in the Village Bicycle. Nice. Oh, back to first. Yes, this car is an automatic. It works and works well. 12-year-old engine. Actually, no more than that. That thing's 15 now. 47.43. So another full second pickup. Final lap here for Sal. Can he knock off? Gosh, another half second to get in the 46s on this lap. Again, each lap that he takes, he's getting reacclimated to the car. Oh yeah, that was definitely way more aggressive there. Kept it tight on exit. Oh yeah, found first gear. Yeah, I think this will be a 46. .46.137. Picks up another second and change.